Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 29th of July 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, let's get started with EURUSD and EURUSD with a bullish expectation from my side. And I have given the bullish entry from 111282 and 111631 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market already break the entry and it's on to the way towards the target price. So if you have taken the buy positions today on EURUSD, then your trades must be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another signal that's just on to the way. It's just breaking the entry. It already broke, but overall it's just fighting on the entry. So New Zealand USD just no down with a bearish expectation from 066274 and 066033 is the target price. Guys, if you look at the 4-hour chart, then you can still see that we are going into the downward trend and still we have not touched the oversold levels of the trading system. So overall we are bearish on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY. Satisfied signal of the day with no problem. USDJPY with a bullish expectation from 108658 and 109230 is the target price. And guys, you can see already it break the entry and USDJPY is going up. Now the question arises, why we are expecting this slower momentum, because today it is Monday and on Mondays the market keep its momentum slow. Just we have seen a good volatility on EURJPY and Great Britain Pound JPY. Rest of the pairs were slow. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. Similarly, note on the entry levels and the trends, and 069054 is the bearish entry and 068759 is the target price. So guys, if you look at the higher time frames, then you can clearly see that the market is making the downward momentum, and overall the market is just near to reach to the oversold levels, but still we do not see any bullish pressure on AUDUSD from many days. So it's into the downward momentum unless it does not change its trend. We are bearish on AUDUSD. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. Okay, Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 134140 and 132902 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, and it has fully tested this signal 2 hours ago. Our signal was expired on Great Britain Pound JPY, and I congratulate to all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's discuss EURJPY, which is about to test the target price, and 120887 was the bullish entry and 121360 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market clearly break the entry and it's almost near to touch the target price. So overall, if you have traded this one and if you have any current position open on EURJPY, then you should close it because it has already went down. Because if you look at here, it's just near to reach to the overbought levels, so we can expect a drop. So overall you should be in a profit till now. At last, I'm going to talk about AUDJPY, which has just break our entry in the last hour. 75082 was the bullish entry and 75417 is the target price. And guys, if it keeps the momentum on, then the market can reach up to 75417. Okay guys, this is all about today's signals analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, and look at the scalper has also pointed you with the red arrow to sell the pair, and then the market has received the drop. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about today's analysis, and if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get this trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.